Hey guys, this is RB the Garden Nanny. I am outdoors and it's beautiful. It's like 70 degrees on a Saturday. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It is that time of year again. I am getting ready to pot up my elephant ears, the upright elephant ears. I have about 11 of them, maybe 11, 12 of them. Some of them are massive and some of them are slightly small, but they all need to be potted up and given a head start. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going to do it outside. Last year it was so cold, I was doing it in the garage. It could have been last year or the year before, but nonetheless, it was very cold. You just never know what the weather's going to be like. So I just came from Sam's. I bought this huge sack of potting soil. $9.99. Love it. So it pays if you have a Sam's membership or Costco to go get a big bag of this cheaply. Okay, I'm gonna go get my pails from the greenhouse and I'll be right back. Okay, so here's my Proven Winners pot. I will one day work for Proven Winners in some capacity. I keep saying that, and that's true. You know, you have what you say. And that's what I say. Why is that so important to me? I just love the plants. And when you love something, you want to be a part of it. You want to be able to speak for it. Even though I'm speaking for it right now, I want to be sent plants to demonstrate, to try out, all that good stuff. So Proven Winners, if you are listening, hi, I'm RB the Garden Nanny. I would love to try out some of your plants and show them to the world. I do that anyway when I go and buy stuff, but I want you to send me stuff. Okay, let's get started, guys. I have about, like I said, I'm around 11. Some small, some large. These elephant ears will not be staying in the pot for long. They will be going in the ground. But in the meantime, I need to get them potted up, give them a head start. I learned this from a lady that I work with, landscaping, and she always did such a wonderful job with her landscaping. Her name is Jerry. And Jerry, I think, was the one who started me off with these elephant ears. And then I just began to, every time you grow them, you get babies. So let me put my gloves on. That would be the smart thing to do, instead of getting my hands all filthy. So anyway, Jerry, she started giving me the elephant ears. And like I say, every year after you pull them up in the fall, they have babies attached to them. Always take this papery bark off. You won't be needing that. You always want to check your elephant ears to make sure that they're not smushy in any way, shape, or form. These do not appear to be. Isn't that pretty? So probably have a trash can of some sort. That would probably be smart as well. Let me go get a trash can. So back to Jerry. She gave me the elephant ears, and I've been doing them ever since. So every year I take this papery bark off, and I'm left with this huge elephant ear. Now sometimes you might see a little mold on the papery husk part that I just pulled off. But if you do see it on the husk, don't worry about that part. As long as there's no soft, mushy elephant ear, you are fine. So, yeah, that is a beaut. So what I'm gonna do is open this bag up. And I'm not going to moisten my soil because I'm going to water it down really well. I'm just putting soil into the pot. And I have it halfway, and I'm gonna put it right in there like that. And I'm gonna work the soil around the pot. There you have it. It's real easy to do. Just make sure you bring it out of dormancy, pot it up, give it a good head start. The upright ones need the head start more so than the floppies. There's a name for it all. I'll put it on the screen. But yeah, these need a head start. So it's nice enough to probably leave them outside close to the foundation of the house. I think I'll do that. And if it, dips down into the 30s or something like that, I will run in and get them, put them in the garage. First one, tap, tap. First one done. Okay. Second one. When you're outdoors, you can make as much mess as you want, and don't worry about it. Alright, let's do these two little ones. Now I plan on putting mine in the soil, and then I'm going to put some in the container. So I'll have a little bit of both. And depending on my clients, they want, I probably won't use all of these for myself. If my clients decide that they want just taking the bark off, if my clients decide that they want an elephant ear or two in their property, I can do that as well, because I have enough of them to put them in their gardens. Now, don't let it fool you. These smaller bulbs are gonna do just as well as the bigger ones. So I'm going to do the same thing, show you this entire process online, because it's all the same. Once you've seen one, you've seen how to do it. It's no different. I will show you how it looks in the pot after I'm done planting it up. But it's pretty simple process. And at the end, at the bottom here, you'll see these little scraggly roots. Don't worry about them, you can pull those off. It will grow its own individual roots when it gets either in the soil in the pot or in the soil in the ground. So never a worry. One more question might be, can you pot it all the way up? Cover it up, because like amaryllis, you can't cover them all the way up, but with the elephant ears you can. course, you're going to leave the tip sticking out. So that's what that looks like. And I'm going to do the rest of them just like that. Okay, I have all of the elephant ears potted up. So I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4. There's fifth one. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10, and then one over here makes 11. So I have 11 elephant ears, and I probably only need about 2 in my own yard. So the others I may use for clients. We shall see. But I'm glad to have this process done.